Come on, sweetie. Here. Here's the phone right here. Right here. Oh. Here, look. Come on, sweet pea. There you go. Oh. You go from downward dog to sitting to like one little crawl and then a shimmy on your tummy. But you're getting better. You're getting better. Yes, you are. There's the downward dog.
There's the sit.
There's the sit. Come on. Come on, Munchkin. Oh, are you getting frustrated now? Come on. It's right here.
Come on, honey.
You made it in like 3 seconds last time. Come on. Get it. Come here. Here, how about if I do this? We'll play one of our videos. You like the videos? There you go. There you go. Here. There's the scoot.
Tell Aunt Brandy how much better green peas are than green martinis.
There you go.
There's your crawl.
There you go.
Crawl.
There it is. Your first crawl. Yay! Good job, sweetheart. Yay! Yay! Say I did it.
See, all that practice.
I crawled. Yay, Ava.
Yay, honey.